Hello guys, me back again. This time I have bought myself two USB for the car or the boat or anything. And they are not like this one, but a single one. And we're going to test the quick charge function for the new smartphones. So let's start opening. Okay, they came in this nice retail boxes. It's from Amazon. And inside them we have two blue cable shoes and then this charger, which is a quick charger. This one has an on-off switch, which of course is nice, so you don't drain your battery. The other one has another nice feature. Came with the same blue cable shoes, but this one has a voltmeter and an ammeter. So let's connect them to the power and see how they works. I will remove this and it's easier to show you. So put this aside. Let's start with the one with the switch. Plus and minus, they are marked on the rear. Yeah, you can probably see it, hopefully. And then, when you switch it on, nothing happens. Why not? Oh, sorry. Here we go. Let's see if we can make this any better if you do like this. Yes. This is what it looks like. And I have connected to the power source. With this one, 12 volt, and put the amp to max 10 amps. So then, if I connect this one, this is a voltmeter, ammeter, and I use my smartphone, which is a Samsung Note 9, and that Note 9 has this quick charge ability. What we're interested to look at is this voltage and of course the amps when we connect it. And you see straight away it goes to almost 9 volt and 1.86 amps, which indicates that this is a quick charger. If you use something like this with a standard USB, then you will only get the 5 volt and if you're lucky 1 amp. Let's test it, shall we? Just to see. Disconnect this one and then turn off. And this one is the same, plus and minus. This one also has the same voltmeter as this one has. And now 2.1 amp and 1 amp. Let's test them both. Here we can see a very disappointing 5 volt and 0.1 amp. That's very disappointing. What? I always think something is wrong. Yes, the phone is not charging. Okay, that was not good. Yes, it's charging. It says 5 hours and 35 minutes until it is full. But this is something wrong. Could not be right. I don't know why. Let's try the other port. Oh, this is also disappointing. Charging 5 hours 36 minutes. Very slow charger. I don't know why it's so slow, but at least with my phone, this is not good. So, let's remove it and try the other one with the ammeter, which I found really interesting. Okay, let's do it the other way, like this. Ooh, that's nice, huh? That's nice. Let's see. 1.5 amps straight away. And let's see what this says. Okay, this is more optimistic. It says 1.86 amps. And again, you have the almost 9 volt. Fantastic. This is really working. This is what you need, guys. Not these cheap ones. Small, but it's in Norwegian. Fast charging, 51 minutes to completely recharge, which is excellent compared to this shitty charger which took about 5 hours. But the ammeter seems to be a little off. 1.57, and here it was 1.86. And if you take a look at the voltmeter, it says 1.31. Again, this is 15.7 watts. So this is a really good charger. And again, nice display where you can see what's going on. Yes. Fantastic looking. I love this one. One more quick look at this one. Oh, let's see, like this and like this. And then of course the advantage with this one is you can turn it on and off without an external switch, which you will have to use for this one, or you can connect it over the ignition. But again, this one is also nice feature, and it also works. Watch the voltage and the amps, you see, straight up to 1.86. And this also has the same 1.3 amps, 15 watts. Yeah. So there I have it. And here we go. So, all in all, these two quick chargers are doing the job the correct way for the modern smartphones. The other one, which I also have a few of in my car, I will change, of course, to this new one. Why don't you want to focus? Here you go. So, this one, which I thought was a good one, it's very slow, and these two are the ones to go for. That was the quick video for today. I have ordered one like this with the same QC 3.0 charging effect on it as well. So I will come back to that when I get it. It takes some time, but in a week or so, I guess I have this one in a quick charge version, and I will check it with 2 phones to see if it really can quick charge 2 phones at once. And as usual, I have put links for both of them in the description below. So just click watch more or whatever it says, and you will find them in on Amazon in UK, US, and in Germany. Then that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.